Canal Cruises unveil hidden gems, history whispers from a secret annex, and diamonds sparkle brighter than the tulips. Amsterdam offers more than just coffee shops. Will you explore a houseboat community or delve into the artistic mind of Van Gogh? Join me on an unforgettable adventure to Amsterdam, where enchanting canals meet vibrant culture, and every corner promises a surprise. Canals and Canal Ring. A city on water. Embark on a scenic canal cruise, the quintessential Amsterdam experience. Imagine yourself gliding through the historic Canal Ring, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, admiring the charming canal houses with their characteristic gabled facades. This unique perspective offers a glimpse into Amsterdam's rich history and a relaxing way to explore the city. Bloemenmarkt Flower Market. Immerse yourself in a sea of colors and delightful aromas at the Bloemenmarkt, the only floating flower market in the world. Imagine yourself browsing through endless stalls, overflowing with tulips, lilies, orchids, and a variety of seasonal blooms. Don't be afraid to chat with the friendly vendors, learn about the different flowers, and perhaps even pick up a fragrant bouquet to brighten your day. Red Light District. Explore the Red Light District, a historic area known for its legalized prostitution. Imagine yourself walking through narrow streets lined with red-lit windows, encountering a unique and controversial aspect of Amsterdam's culture. It's important to be respectful and aware of the surroundings while visiting this area. Vondelpark. Escape the city bustle and find tranquility in Vondelpark, Amsterdam's largest urban park. Imagine yourself strolling through lush gardens, picnicking on a sunny day, renting a bike for a scenic ride, or simply relaxing and people watching. This beloved park offers a chance to unwind amidst nature and soak up the local atmosphere. Houseboat Tour. Imagine yourself stepping aboard a houseboat, a unique and alternative way of life for many Amsterdam residents. Explore the cleverly designed interiors, marvel at the efficient use of space, and enjoy a different perspective of the city as you glide through the canals. This tour offers a glimpse into a fascinating lifestyle and a unique way to experience Amsterdam's waterways. Zandse Schans. Take a day trip to Zandse Schans, a charming village known for its iconic windmills. Imagine yourself standing in awe before these towering windmills, witnessing a traditional symbol of Dutch ingenuity and craftsmanship. Explore the historic houses, watch craftsmen demonstrate traditional skills like clog making, and immerse yourself in Dutch culture beyond the city center. Amsterdam, a city where canals whisper secrets, history comes alive, and vibrant culture explodes around every corner. You've experienced just a taste of what Amsterdam has to offer, from scenic canal cruises and artistic masterpieces to unique experiences like houseboats and diamond factories.